The city of Milwaukee is working to solve the problem of the homeless camp in MacArthur Square, and lack of bathrooms is a public health hazard. Early next week, the city said it will install portable bathrooms near MacArthur Square for the people camping there to use. Unfortunately, the portable bathroom industry has not changed much for the last 50 years, and providing public bathroom is a big expense that requires cleaning crews and transportation costs, with gas prices still on the rise. And for the last 10 years, city managers across the U.S. are now looking for better options, and now they use P-pod portable toilets on public facilities. Facility managers prefer the P-pod portable toilets because they are easier to clean and maintain, and this means helping all citizens of Milwaukee with lower cost.